Hi guys, welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, I'm gonna tell you that how can you save your draft videos from your TikTok account. So welcome back to the channel. It is a very easy process, so let's get started. First of all, open up your TikTok application. I have already saved a video in my TikTok draft. Click on that video and open it. Opening it, you will see an interface like this, but you won't have any save option, so you have to open it and then you have to press on next. It will open a page for you. You can have a look on the options, tag people, location, add link and who can watch this video. On only me option and then press post. Your video will be posted immediately and you can see your video in your log posted category. Open up the video and you will find three dots in the middle of the screen. Click on them and then press save video. Your video will be saved successfully in your gallery. This is how you can save your draft videos directly from your TikTok account to your phone. If you like the video, hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel and comment below.